Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing the before and after and the installation of the TuxMat in place of the OEM stock mats that came with my 2018 Chevy Silverado. As you can see, these are the original mats that it came with. They are rubber mats and they're not bad. They don't cover a large area. They cover a good amount, but not the complete area of the carpet. So first up, we have the passenger side front. On the right side, you have the TuxMat, and on the left is the stock OEM mat that came with the truck. You can see the size difference there. And we're going to go ahead and install the TuxMat. So that looks like that's it. Fits very snug. That's exactly the way you would want a custom mat to fit. Covers the whole area here, all of the carpet. Seat is currently all the way back. I'll move the seat up, and you can see it still clears everything on the mat. Now they also have clips to install. If you saw the mat move up a little bit, it kind of got caught here, but you have clips that were included in the package for the TuxMats. They go right along the edge here, which you will clip right under here. That'll keep everything close so that there won't be an issue with scooting your seat up. But this is actually a good fit. I really like this fit here. We'll go on to the next one. The next mat that I'll be installing is the rear mat. The rear mat from TuxMat is one piece that goes across both sides of the vehicle. That is the original mat that was in the truck. Just so you can see, for the TuxMat, this one piece goes across both sections of the floor in the rear. So I'll be installing that now. Definitely a must to lift those rear seats up. To install this, 1 second. Also need to scoot the front seats all the way up. Just to give some more room. All right, so I've now scooted the front seats up. All right, so I've scooted the front seats up, and we're gonna move this piece. Let's go ahead and install the rear here. All right, so the rear is also installed. This is definitely a good fit. As you can see, it fits snug around the rails of the seats, covers the whole area for the carpet, and this part here is under the seat when you fold the seats down, which is also nice, which the other mats that I ordered previously from a different company did not do. They only covered that section here. Another thing that I like about these mats here, hopefully you can see, it covers all the way back to the end. There's a notch here that goes out for your seat belts. That's very nice. It's a good fit. One more to go, and that's going to be the driver's side front. I'm going to move the seat back here. And just so you can see again, this clears everything in the back, so there's no issue. So here we have the driver's side front mat. So this is the original mat here, and that's the area that it covered. Again, you can see the TuxMat covers a much larger area. Another thing about the driver's side mat is in the floor you have these knots that normally where your mat clips in. So with the TuxMat, it appears there is a cutout for that to go, but it doesn't actually use that for the installation. Not sure if you have to take it all the way or remove those two clips completely before installing, so I'll just set it in there to see. Right. All right, so it looks like the rear section there, to remove those clips that your stock mats are normally attached to or buttoned in with, you don't have to move those. Like I said, there's a cutout here in the TuxMats that allows that to remain. And this is the driver's side mat installed. Again, it's a nice fit, fits very close and snug. The third pedal for your footrest there is well fitted. For the side sections here, there was a bag that included a lot of clips, just in case you need to install some clips here to snug them up and clip them to any plastic pieces to make that fit more snug to your liking. These actually fit pretty well to me without those clips, but there is a middle piece here that I believe for your driver's side mat you do want to install that, because the driver's side mat of all of them, that's the one that you don't want moving around, even though it's not much room for this to move. But there's a clip that I'll be installing just to make sure, since your pedals are there All the pedals are cleared. So the TuxMats, for me, I like them. They're not mats that I see in everyone's vehicle, so if you want something different, then you might want to check out TuxMat. So the piece that I mentioned here that goes for the installation on the driver's side mat is called a retention ring, and it's a clip that turns, so if you want to remove this, you can just turn it and remove it there. Just to show you what it looks like installed. That's the piece there. You install that to your floor. That little ring is the retention ring. So once you install that, push your mat down all the way, turn it, and that way the mat won't remove or slide from the floor. So that's a nice feature also, instead of using the clip. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you could check out any future videos that I have. If you liked the video, please click that like button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.